I think we're about to go live real quickly. Hello everybody, my name is Shubhamnan and welcome to another live stream. In today's live stream, we're going to be monitoring the severe weather. We'll be talking to you guys about the severe weather risk that is going to impact the United States. So I'm just making sure we're live. We are live. Okay, so this is what's going on right now. As you can see here, we have a big warm front out here. We'll be discussing to you guys. We'll be like going live for maybe 20 minutes, maybe half hour, and we'll talk about the severe weather risk and a sneaky snowstorm for this region as well. Alright, so we'll be checking you at the day one. We're looking at everything going on, and you can see right here the severe weather risk, what's been going on. So we have some rain going on all across this region and northern part of the severe weather risk. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. Hello? Hello, everybody. Just wanted to make sure that everything's doing good. Alright. Okay. So as you can see right here, we're discussing right now, we have a 5% risk in the brown. Like I showed you guys in the YouTube short yesterday. And then we have a brand new, which I was monitoring, saying that could happen. But there is now a 10% chance of tornadoes with an enhanced risk, as you can see right here real quickly. So which means we have a 10% chance of significant tornadoes, which means violent tornadoes if EF2 possible. And already we got storms starting to develop all across the southern parts from Natchez down to Hattiesburg, Jackson, Mississippi as well. So let's go take a look quickly at we're gonna take a look at the radar real quickly. I'm gonna go with the Jackson radar just to monitor the situation as we're gonna go live. Let me show you guys what's gonna occur in the next few hours. So let's go take a look at high resolution reflectivity. You can see all of these storms are already started to develop, and many of these are looking like supercells all across this region and all across this region. And if I, sorry, because I don't really have much time today, I'm very busy, I won't be able to go live bigly for a long time, but we can go live for maybe up to an hour, hour and a half, depending on everything. But you can see from Jackson down to Hattiesburg, you have all these supercells that are starting to develop. You have special weather statements, which means they're about to get into severe weather, serious thunderstorm warning, and potentially even becoming a tornado warning. So let's look at the high resolution reflectivity. This guy is already, I'm very worried about this person right here near McGee. You can see there's a tight rotation just to the south of McGee. Look at this. That is crazy. That's already like this, and I'm really worried right now. This could produce a tornado very, very quickly within the next 15, maybe within this live stream, you'll be able to see a tornado right here near McGee. Tight rotation. What does this mean? Red's going towards the radar, green going away from the radar. Let's go like this. And it means there's a spin, there's a big spin going on right here, and this storm is definitely rotating, and that could be producing a tornado relatively soon, if not some gusty winds. We'll take a look at the one to the south and west of Jackson, also starting to rotate. You can see right here with a little bit of rotation moving towards and away, going on right here as well. And also to north and west of Jackson, you have some decent rotation going on. That's the thing we're going to be talking to you guys. There's going to be a lot of shear, which was not expected, but over the last few days, it's been hinting that there could be a lot of shear, and now there are a lot of shear, so that's why there is this risk of tornadoes. So let's take a look at how these storms start to develop. Let's look at the satellite real quickly and look at all this. I'm gonna quickly just take away the tornado so we can show you guys what it is going on. You can see all across this region, all across northern Louisiana and Mississippi, there is a lot of sunshine. Lot of sunshine. Sorry about this. Hello? Alright. There's a lot of sunshine. Sorry, it's a little glitchy right now, but there's a lot of sunshine right now, which means that storms are going to develop very, very quickly with a lot of moisture. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the models. Let's take a look at the latest HRRR model real quickly, and let's see what HRRR is going to be hinting of right now. So let's look at the dew points real quickly for HRRR. Look at all of this moisture all the way from near Memphis down to Baton Rouge, Harrisburg, near Birmingham. All this is going to be moving its way to the north and to the east. So all this moisture is moving rapidly this way. But look at all this dew point. If I just show you guys right here, look at that, 65, 66 degrees. We have so much moisture moving in this direction. So we have so much moisture going on. Now let's take a look at the 5-minute winds real quickly. And look at the winds are starting to come in. You can see we have the trough coming in from. So we have a trough coming in from this region, but this is moving its way east. So we're gonna be seeing within the next hour or two some more sheer, more favorable environment in Mississippi as well. So now we'll take a look at the surface-based Cape. This is the current Cape values we have right now, 1,300, almost 2,000 Cape. Look at that, 2,000 Cape. This is what you get in the spring and summertime. So you can just continue to see the Cape values continue to increase here, and it's all moving to the north and to the east. This is pretty much currently. If you look at the most unstable Cape, you can just see how much unstable Cape. There is a lot of Cape. And if I look at that, if I look at the supercell composite, you can see there's a lot of opportune environment for supercells all across this region, and we've already seen a bunch of supercells in Jackson, Mississippi developing as well. If you guys have questions, please also comment. I'm also looking at right now. If I just look at significant tornado parameter just for fun, you can see this. Also a pretty good chance of significant tornadoes as of right now. But if I keep moving its way, if I just keep moving, we're gonna just keep looking at the let's look at the reflectivity real quickly, composite reflectivity, so we can show you guys what the GFS is, what the HRRR, the brand new HRRR showing. You can see it's been hinting of potential some storms over here that develop individual supercells. This is an hour from now. Moving another hour from now, you can see more supercells are developing into a big line here. Baton Rouge, don't forget this one back by Lake Charles, and all these individual guys right here. This is the one I'm really worried about. You can see all these kidney beans near Greenwood, near Clarksdale, near Grenada, near West Helena. That's the main region where I'm going to be worried about in the next couple of hours, and we just keep monitoring the situation. A few hours from now, you can see some more storms that develop all across Louisiana. It's going to be developing and moving its way towards Mississippi. But northern Mississippi looks like the big target zone for potential tornadoes. And if you take a look at the 5-minute winds, real quickly, in the same region, you can see 40 to 50 knot winds. Where the storms are right now, they're 30 to 50 knots winds. So the best chance, in my opinion, potentially for tornadoes, significant tornadoes, will be in this region right here. And if I look at a dew point, it is also a lot of dew points in the same wind, almost 70 degrees near the Mississippi Delta region. So we take a look at we continue to look at the composite reflectivity. You can just see these storms to develop. And we move on to hour 5 real quickly. 5 hours from now, you can just see more storms from Louisiana moving its way into Mississippi, and some more storms just continues to develop over here. Move to hour 6. Hour 6 real quickly, you can just see Jackson. This is overnight hours becoming a squall line will come towards Jackson, going towards Baton Rouge, and then some storms you can't forget about near Little Rock, because they're getting some rain now, but you expect some hours of clearing. Storm temperatures and dew points will also increase rapidly, and we'll just keep moving and just see it becomes a flood risk all across southern Mississippi. Hour 8. And it just continues to move its way. Hour 9. So next 9 hours you can see then the super solar is pretty much gone. And that's how it is. So let's get back to the regular model and the current radar real quickly. And let's take a look at how everything looks across the Mississippi area for now. So let's go back to high resolution reflectivity. And you can just see there are a lot of storms to develop. There's a lot of shear and there's a lot of warm temperatures as well in this region too. So there's a lot of opportunities for severe weather all across. This pretty much this whole area. So let's take a look at what it's looking here with the high velocity. Anything interesting? Still looks pretty interesting here near McGee. But this one's becoming a little weaker, but this is very close to the weather radar, so that's pretty interesting. We'll just have to monitor what's going on as well. If I go right now, let me just take a look up to the north. We're quickly near Little Rock. Just a lot of heavy rainfall, I think, going on across this area. Yeah. To the north. Over here, you have a lot of sunshine too developing. So, based on this, if you're south and east of Little Rock, you will have to monitor the situation for severe weather in the future. But north and west of Little Rock, severe weather's gone, and it's just heavy rainfall and some flooding going on. So currently, we have 3 viewers. That is crazy. Thank you for all the viewers on this live stream going on right now. I'm just taking a look at everything. Everything's looking good. So we'll continue to monitor what's going on real quickly right now. We just continue to monitor what's going on in the weather radar real quickly. How many viewers we have? We still have 3 views, which is crazy to think about right now. So we're just gonna be taking a look at these storms. Hope maybe they might develop into something in the next few minutes, maybe next half hour. This one just looks like a line of storms. So everything's moving from southeast to northeast in this direction. That's where the movement is. A lot of warm temperatures for the Gulf. Now up to 3 degrees. That's good. So, if you guys have questions, let us know. But right now, it's just a bunch of thunderstorms. We have a bunch of special weather statements which could develop into tornado warnings or severe thunderstorm warnings. But all these guys could produce some sort of severe weather. Here, I'm just circling everything that could be things to watch for. Look at all these blaze velocity. Anything interesting that's picking up? I mean, this guy still rotating, but this guy also looks like it's starting to pick up some intensity. Let me take a look at it in high resolution. No, not really. Nothing too much to develop. We'll be going live till 2:30, and if there's something else going on, we will also continue to go live. Now let's talk about the winter storm that could be impacting parts of Iowa. Let me go back to convecting. Let's go take a look at the weather as well. Let's go to preset type of the winter. And we'll be monitoring this situation tomorrow as well with potential heavy snowfall. So let's go take a look at the next few hours real quickly. Just checking if we have how we're doing. We got 2 views. Nice. I'm gonna update to 18.0 quickly. Alright. It's gonna be later tonight, so I'm gonna move on to hour 12. Alright. This is a good time. Maybe hour 14? Okay, here it is. Hour 14. Let's take a look at temperature real quickly all across this region. We got temperatures in the mid 30s all the way down to about 38 to 37 degrees all across this region. But look at temperatures 34 near Dubuque. They might get the snow. Let me go let's continue to see how Precept type looks, that is hour 2 o'clock, 14 hours, hour 15, hour 16. We got monitor what's going on to the west near Kansas City. Might get some very heavy snowfall with temperatures around 34 degrees. However, the warm front is going to be very close to moving its way also to north, which will also limit the amount of precip you might get in terms of snowfall, which could be unfortunate, but we have to wait and see. This is all a waiting game at this point, because everything 1 degree temperatures could make a big difference in terms of who's going to get snow and who's not. It's 4 a.m. Let's go to 5 a.m. now. Hour 17, hour 18. Southeast Iowa, northern Missouri getting hit with some very heavy snowfall. Very heavy snowfall. This could be very heavy wet snowfall. Temperatures in this region is in the low 30s. However, it's near 40 degrees in my area. Mid 30s to low 30s. So we're just gonna wait and see how things will develop. Alright. Hour 19. Hour 20. Hour 21. You can just see the amount of snow that will develop all across the back edge of this. This could still shift south or north. Most likely you still continue to see a southward shift. We'll have to wait and see how the temperatures are. Because look at this. It's gonna be 39 degrees, however, but you go a little bit west, it's 35 degrees, like maybe 40, 50 miles west. Let's continue to see look how close it is from heavy snowfall for me. It's gonna be so sad. It's gonna be so sad. Look at that, literally could be one county away. Look at that, it could be literally one county away. Maybe this is not even 10 miles. This could be less than 10 miles from here to here. That is crazy. It's like a 20-minute drive to go from rain to snow. From here to here it's about 15 minutes. It's like a 15-minute drive. And it's 36 degrees and 38 degrees. That is crazy to think about. This is gonna be so sad if this occurs. I'm gonna be so sad if this actually occurs. Cause look at that. This is literally not even a 20-minute drive. And it's gonna be snowing heavily here. And it's gonna be rain where I'm from. And then it tries to show very heavy snowfall here, but it tries to show that maybe some snow could occur. Same temperatures, but it shows rain and snow. I'm very sad. I'm gonna be very sad if this occurs. I think this is probably realistic too. Hour 24. Now it's gonna be snow, but very light snow, and then back to rain. And you can just see where the snowfall is before back to some brief snowfall as well. Temperature wise is gonna be temperature will start to drop if it snows like this, but now I'll show you guys what's going on across Wisconsin. You can see some heavy snowfall from Madison, Green Bay, and this region will be getting hit with some heavy snowfall. Hour 28, you can see that too. Hour 29 before it turns back into rain. And hour 30 and 31. You just keep playing, as you can see the snowfall continues to move now into the UP and Michigan and northern Michigan with some heavy snowfall as well. So, for this whole event, let's show you guys how much snowfall could be falling. You can see the heaviest band of snow is right here, where it's going to be snowing the most and the coldest temperatures. You can see it drops down to maybe half an inch in the whites, but more than 4 to 6. From Dubuque up to Madison, Cedar Rapids up to Madison. And if I show you guys another radar real model that might be also very productive, I go to hour 24 real quickly. You can see, look at this snowstorm, potentially heavy snowfall in this whole region, including northwest Illinois. Let me look at how everything's gonna be played as well. I'm gonna go from hour 14. As you can see, some ice in Spain, hour 14. I'll go to hour 16. You can see some snow starts to develop out ahead a bit. Snowing in Kansas City a little bit. Hour 17, 18. You can see the snow starts to develop in Missouri. Southern Iowa continues to be like that. And then if I keep on showing you guys, hour 19, 20, real quickly, 21. Here comes the heavy snowfall all across the Iowa area into just north of Madison, so just a little bit of a north of trend. That's 21, 23 real quickly. You can see some light snow now coming in, but very heavy snow for Dubuque down to Madison. 24 continues to be heavy snowfall. If I show you guys what temperature looks like, it's 32 degrees, but it's 35 degrees, 36 where I'm from, so the snow may not accumulate or it may not even fall. 25, it moves, tries to come back, but it just can't. So if I move back to hour 22 with the temperature, you can just see it. No, that's dew points. Temperature, it is 36 degrees, but this is another one of those depressing model ones for me. If I will show you guys. Oh my god, it could be snowing everywhere but Galesburg. Alright, let's go hour 32 real quickly so we can show you guys how much total snowfall will develop. Look at the band of heavy snow, maybe up to a foot of snow. Anywhere in this region could be up to a foot of snow, but anything could shift to the south easily if it's a little colder and things change over time. Alright, enough talking about snow. Let's quickly take a look at the current radar. Anything to talk about right now? Let's go check. Let's take a look at what am I looking at? No, looking at the single radar. Anything to talk about? It still looks like the one up by Morton looks like it could start to rotate relatively soon. I mean, it's still pretty weak. All these are very weak for now. So guys, that's the update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys for another live stream. I might live stream later today. I'll let you know. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the day, everybody. Goodbye, everybody.